What's up, Sofreshbry? It's your Sofreshbry, and we're back with another freaking video. Yes! What's up, everyone? I'm back with another video. What's up, y'all? Brysofresh. Yeah. Make sure to follow his TikTok and subscribe to his YouTube channel. So Sofreshbry gang. Today we back with another freaking video. Sofreshbry gang. It's your boy Sofreshbry, and I'm back with another freaking video.
What's up, Sofreshbry gang? It's your boy Sofreshbry here, and I'm back with another freaking video. What's up, y'all? I just purchased my MacBook and we about to go pick it up. So y'all come right with me and go pick it up with me. Yeah. But check out the fit for today. I look so bummy, but I don't care. I don't feel like putting no clothes on. But yeah, we about to go pick up my MacBook. I'm so happy. No, I didn't do that. I'll see y'all later. And I got my Mac. Yes, I got my MacBook Pro. Yes.
Hey, I caught that woman digging for nose. Shot that off.
Who?
The old woman over there. Just digging her nose. And I looked at she was like, hey, man. Oh, you recording?
Yeah. You left me right there?
Yeah,
oh my God.
Come on, man, you have
Move.
Man, I want to see this moment, bro. Come on, man. Dang, gone. As much guidance I try to give.
I got my MacBook. So, see, you making it awkward.
Come on, man. I'm happy for you, man.
Anyways. Wait, there might be something else in there. This. I got my MacBook Pro 2020. And I guess I'll be doing the unboxing. Is it making it awkward? Alright, so this is gonna be my unboxing of the MacBook Pro. You see me.
You see me. Hold on, wait. Let them hoes get into it right quick.
MacBook Pro 2020 edition. You got the little bar thing. Anyways, I'm gonna take this. Drum roll. Setting up. Yes, sir. I got a MacBook Pro and I got the sound bar or touch bar, whatever. And y'all, it got feet. This is a fingerprint button, y'all. Oh my God, it's so cool. Alright, y'all, I'm back and it's literally nighttime. It's like 12 o'clock now. And last time I was on here, it was like 5. So yeah. Y'all, I've been on this thing non-stop, been figuring out how to download games and, you know, just how to work the computer in general. Because that computer is kind of difficult. Okay, Apple, you always been difficult. But let me show you what's in the box because I got to charge it soon. But I want to show you. I want to open my charger with y'all, okay? Because I love y'all. Y'all my babes. East. The box is damn open. Damn good. Let's start off with my haul. Okay, so this is what the MacBook comes on top, and then it comes with this. You know what the iPhones come with. The little front. This is from Apple, designed from Apple, and the MacBook Pro. And you know I got some stickers in there somewhere, and just the instructions. I don't need that. And then we got a charger, which I might use, and then we got the charger brick. And then this is what the inside of the box looks like. This is my big charger brick. I gotta find where I can put that at. I gotta buy me a new drop cord to go right there. Cause I wanna be on my MacBook over there. My baby gotta be with me. It can't be all the way over here on this desk. Okay, and I'm gonna keep the box because who doesn't keep their Apple product boxes? I literally got my 7, my AirPod boxes in my closet. I got both my iPhone boxes. Yes, always keep your iPhone boxes because you never know. People actually be buying these on eBay and stuff. So I'm saving this for when it gets very much popular. Let me stop. Okay, but yeah. And my brother had to never throw this box with my charger in it. So if it's broke, guess who's gonna buy me a new one? Huh? You. If you're watching this, and you're gonna be watching. Ooh. Okay, cause purr. Look at that. It looks so delicate. But yeah, it's about to die, so that's why I want to come on here and vlog me open it, because I couldn't miss this without you guys. I want y'all to have the whole process of me getting my first MacBook. Now, just because this is my only MacBook right now, this is not the only MacBook I'm gonna have. In the future, I'm gonna upgrade my MacBook and get the biggest one. Well, that's not pretty nice too. But you know, you always, when you make more money, you buy more stuff. You buy nicer stuff, you know? That's not the most expensive MacBook. It's not. It is one of the new ones. I'd be lying if I didn't say it wasn't. But yeah, it's one of the newest MacBooks. It's supposed to be a 2020. So yeah, 2020 game. And yeah. That's all that comes in it. I'll probably finish this video when I get my other stuff that goes with this MacBook, which is my case. My case, because I'm buying a case, because this junk is slippery. And I'm not trying to drop this because they ain't got no Apple Care yet. So a bit try me right now. I'm a bit. But yeah, Apple Care about to come on this bit. So if you try to steal these babes, I'm able to replace it, and then we're gonna find your ugly ass, and we're gonna scratch that. But yeah, this video will most likely be edited on this. And yeah, I love this thing, y'all, already. I love it so much. I'm about to go play a Sims right now. I downloaded Sims and Among Us, and I'm probably going to get Roblox because to play with my followers. Yes, I love this. Okay, anyways, I'm at materialistic. Let me just throw, nah, that's too much money. This is a whole person's paycheck, babes. Okay, let me stop. Okay, anyways, I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on this video, and just let me know if y'all want more unboxing videos. I'm sorry this unboxing wasn't that good. It was all over the place. I'm so sorry. And I'm just so sorry in general, because this video is not in place right now. I'm just all over the place. But when I get my camera, videos going to be dropping every week, 3 times a week per. Because I'm about to get this content out. We about to grind on YouTube. YouTube, remember, y'all going to remember this face. But anyways, bye. I love y'all.